And the race is on. Stand by your men by the Bliss, rushing up to Chinelli. Scarlet Minstrel, Banay, Highway Builder, Serenata. Stand by your men by about 2 lengths, followed by Bliss in second. Scarlet Minstrel racing in third, moving up by the Banay, Chuchinelli, Serenata, Highway Builder. And rounding the far turn, stand by your men, followed now by Scarlet Minstrel, and Bliss by the Banay, racing in fourth by the moving up Serenata. As they race the last 500, stand by your men, Banay, Serenata is by the bunch of horses fighting around for the lead, like wild bees swarming the track. But Banay on the outside, Serenata down on the inside. Serenata, Banay on the outside, and Bliss on the outside, Highway Builder. But Serenata by about 3 lengths, and finally, Serenata, Bliss, Highway Builder, Banay, Scarlet